This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, I decided to awaken your taste buds with a sweet specialty, the mirliton. It is a dessert consisting of a tart filled with a mixture of sugar, vanilla, and ground almonds. There are also versions with apple and with orange blossom water, to be enjoyed warm or cold. The mirliton, whose name designates a nursery rhyme as much as a small flute used to play popular tunes, was once made with leftover dough. The mirliton is mentioned for the first time in a recipe book published during the second half of the 19th century. However, there are two other types of pastry mirlitons, that of Pont-Audemer, a kind of rolled cookie, filled with praline mousse and closed at the ends with dark chocolate, and that of Paris, filled with jam. I can already guess that you are hungry. So, where to find a mirliton in Rouen? Well, at Christophe Crescent's bakery, best worker in France, and more precisely in one or the other of his two shops entitled My Bakery. The first located Armand Carrel Street a few steps from St. Mark Square, and the second on the Old Market Square. Come on, let me give you some advice. My Bakery does not offer mirliton every day. Yes, it has to be earned, so call before you go to make sure you can taste it.